And I'm back with the advanced concept and problems on inverse trigonometry, guys. This lecture is going to be very, very important. And guys, going ahead, this concept today, which we'll be discussing, will be sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. You will have heard of this kind of formulas a lot, I think. And today would be proving those formulas, and you would have seen some massive formulas in your booklets and some massive conditions. I really think you don't need to mug up all of that, and definitely we'll be locking ahead with, obviously guys, just some very simple techniques to solve those amazing concepts and to obviously guys learn the proof of them. So going ahead, guys, today we'll be first of all discussing this chapter basic concepts. Obviously, we have done. Now we're moving ahead with the advanced concepts, and these formulas will be proving, guys, one by one. And then obviously, guys, we'll be looking ahead with some of the amazing questions as well. Okay, so definitely, guys, everyone, please, if you have not downloaded the Unacademy app, downloaded that really quickly, because guys, over there my special class content for free is also that which you can unlock. Okay, so guys, before going forward, I would like to introduce myself to all of you. This is Abhinav Jha, BTech NIT Nagpur, and I've got around 4 years of teaching experience now. I have also, guys, produced quite a few ranks in mains and advanced in the past. Also myself have qualified JEE Mains in advanced in 2012. I hold a rank of AIR 698 in GATE. Also, guys, an Academy Plus subscription is something wonderful at this point of time in our careers, because this will obviously, guys, enable us to definitely take some live classes with the educators, also live interaction, live polls, live leaderboard, test series, and doubt clearing session, which is one of the best feature of this Plus. Moreover, guys, you can simply install this amazing app from the Play Store. You have to go there and hit on Unacademy's learning app, and then, guys, you can click on install. Moreover, guys, you can go ahead and in the ITJ section click on plus, and then you can go ahead and click on get subscription. As soon as you do that, you will be able to see this amazing experience over here, guys, and you can see over here that on saying yes, so we obviously you can use this amazing code of AJ Life. So as soon as you use the code AJ Life, guys, these are the prices of plus and iconic, which you can obviously fetch. So over here, guys, you can see here 6 months plan will be around 25k and 34k for iconic, 34k for 12 months, and 58k, that would be obviously, guys, for that. Moreover, guys, 50.4k and 90k would be for after applying this amazing code of AJ Live. So guys, definitely allow yourself to take on this amazing code, and then after that, guys, things would be pretty easy and in your hands. Okay, guys, so these are the prices of obviously, guys, Unacademy Plus, which you can see here. Okay, definitely, guys, go for it. Hi Ashwin, how are you? Good to see. Okay, also, guys, here on this platform here, you have to go ahead and put up the code of AJ Live. As soon as you put up the code of AJ Live, you can proceed to pay using EMI options available as well. So do not forget to do that. Also, guys, JEE English Telegram channel, you have to obviously, guys, come and join this Telegram group. Definitely do that. That will be enable you to take the amazing sessions on regular basis. Also, guys, Abhinav SC is also the code which you can use for taking the plus subscription. Moreover, guys, my special class timings is in front of you. You have to be on your toes. New special class timings. Okay, guys, it will be Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday at 8 p.m. So do not miss out on that. And that will be on the Unacademy's learning app. Fine. So, guys, everyone on your toes, come over here and do this amazing thing, guys. Fine. Also, my Unacademy's integral calculus course has been launched on Plus. So all of you are invited to come over there and attend these amazing session on integration. So guys, take your subscription now. Moreover, guys, Bansal classes team is on the Unacademy Plus now. Okay, they are coming up with the Spark batch for IITJ 2023. Okay, top educators from Bansal classes will be teaching on that platform. So guys, all of you are invited to come over there and join this amazing initiative and learn from the best of the country's faculties. Also, guys, tomorrow, that is obviously day after tomorrow, guys, we have Unacademy Combat. So all of you guys, 6th of December was the date, and I've been telling you that do not forget to download the app right now. Get lots of rewards and prizes using the code of AJ Live. So guys, enroll to this Unacademy Combat right now. There's a lot of rewards and prizes waiting for you. Moreover, guys, lot of IIT JEE workshops and uh, guidance, study planner, test analysis will be given on the Iconic. So guys, do not forget to use that amazing feature of personal coach you will be getting. And guys, definitely Iconic subscription is something which is really important. Definitely go for it. Okay, guys. Also, guys, there are about these are the prices roughly, guys. After using the code of AJ Live, you will be getting a lot of discount on that. So keep that in your mind. Also, my revision courses are running regularly. So, guys, all of you are invited to come on Saturday, 12 p.m. for that. Okay. So, guys, generally Saturday 12 p.m. or 5:30 p.m. I'll be taking the sessions. So, guys, tomorrow the class on the revision session will be at 5:30 p.m. Okay. So guys, this is the general timing we will be doing tomorrow. That is Saturday. So revision day. And guys, obviously we are going to do binomial theorem. That will be done tomorrow. So guys, everyone 12 p.m. Do not miss out on binomial theorem. Sorry, 5:30 p.m. Okay, 5:30 p.m. is the timing. So bye guys, please come onto this platform and don't miss out. Okay. Also guys, my YouTube classes generally are at 5:30. So every day, please have a look. Hello Divya, have a look on this platform guys, and you can see over here my plus courses are running and will be regularly going. And guys, please join the plus and it will be very beneficial for all of you. Okay guys, so let's move ahead with inverse trigonometry lecture number 6, advanced concepts and problems. Okay Divya, ask your doubt quickly. Okay, so guys, obviously first formula which we have to prove is sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is uh, sin inverse x under root 1 minus y square plus y under root 1 minus x square. So we have to prove this formula. But there's a condition, guys. In the books, you will see there are a lot of many questions and a lot of many formulas for one set, isn't it? So why I have not taken that is, guys, they have formula for xy less than 0, one formula for xy greater than 0. But guys, if your x is less than 0, it will be negative, right? So we'll take the sine inverse of minus x as minus sine inverse x. So we'll learn the different formula, which is sine inverse x minus sine inverse y, right? So why to learn all those conditions? So I have restricted the conditions so that you can easily learn this, and if you forget also, you can easily derive it also. Let's see how we can prove it. So guys, we have to prove this thing, that sine inverse x plus sine inverse y is sine inverse x under root 1 minus y square plus y under root 1 minus x. Okay, this thing we have to prove. Okay, so we have two conditions for that. What is that? First is xy should be greater than 0, it should be less than 1. Okay, obviously if it cannot be 1, because if it is 1 then it both will be 0, right? It will be pi left hand side and the right hand side will be 0. The sign was 0, so that's not equal to. Okay, moreover guys, x square plus y square should be what? Less than or equal to 1. So let's see why these conditions are there. So guys, we'll prove the RHS part to the LHS part, right? That's what we'll be focusing on, है ना? We'll be proving the RHS to the LHS. So Divya has a question. Quickly, let's look into that. Sir, I am in 10th standard. I am solving currently calculus. I am able to solve all the procedural questions from any reference book, but when the question is twist, I am not able to solve. So your concepts should be very deep. Okay, it's not all about problem solving. Your concepts like these, okay, you should be pretty cool with it. Okay, because here they will mix up a lot of questions from the trigonometry and the different things. So obviously you have to be regular with that. You have to have the conceptual knowledge. Okay, it's obviously the problems do play a key role, but you should need to have idea about all the things. I feel you might be not able to solve some problems which are related to mixed concepts, right? Which are mixed from 2-3 topics. So you need to study first of all basic concepts of all. In detail analysis is really important, like we are doing right now over here. Okay, so guys, see here what we should put. Let's take the RHS. Okay, this RHS I'll be starting with. What should we put x as, guys? See, all of us know that if x becomes sine theta, right? So we'll get what, guys? Sine theta cos sine theta and this will be what cos theta. So let's put y as some sine phi. This will be what, guys? Cos phi, sine phi, right? So that's how you have to go ahead with. So what will substitute? X is equals to what? Sine theta, and y is equal to what? Sine phi. That's the trick. Okay. So what will happen is ultimately you will get something like this only, na? We have already done few questions on this. So now we have an idea that what it will frame out to. So what are we getting, guys? If you look at it closely, so what are we getting is we are getting sine inverse sine theta. I'm writing quickly, guys. Cos phi, right? 1 under root 1 minus sine square phi will be cos phi, plus what is this, guys? Y will be what? Sine phi cos theta. So we are getting what, guys? Sine inverse x plus, this is what, nothing but, guys, coming out as what? Sine inverse sine theta plus phi. Yes, sine inverse sine theta plus phi, right? Sine a plus b. So guys, we all know that we cannot cancel at this step, can we? Not at all. We cannot cancel this step. We cannot write it theta plus phi because we know that we should have a favorite region of sine. That means theta plus phi should be what, guys? Between pi by 2 to minus pi by 2, right? Then only this will work out. Otherwise, it won't work out, isn't it, everyone? We've already known this thing. Favorite food of sine inverse is what? Favorite food of sine inverse is from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, right? We all know that sine inverse x always lies between pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. Okay, so guys, let's analyze this theta plus phi. Na? So we have few conditions. Let's see. So guys, we have first thing is that x comma y is less than 1 and greater than or equal to 0. That means what, guys? Sine theta will be less than 1 and greater than 0. And similarly, guys, your sine phi will also be what, guys? Less than 1 and greater than or equal to 0. That means your phi will be between what, guys? Pi by 2 and 0. And your theta will be what between, guys? Hello, Sumaid. Your theta will also be between, guys, pi by 2 and 0. And between sine theta is between that and this. Okay, so guys, if you just look into this condition quickly, can I say that theta plus phi from here is coming as less than pi and greater than 0? Okay, at the moment it is not working out, right? If you have simply this condition, this won't work, because sorry, pi, it should go here, pi, right? If you add both of the equations, right, the theta plus phi will be what? Between 0 and pi, obviously. But this won't work because the favorite region of sine inverse is what, guys? We cannot cancel this. Okay, but we have one more condition. Let's apply that and check. So guys, I'll apply that one more condition. What is that? That is your sine x square plus y square should be less than or equal to 1. So let's apply that. What will we get, guys? We'll get sine square theta plus, what is this, guys? Sine square theta plus, can I say, guys, sine square phi will be less than or equal to 1? Absolutely. So guys, from there what we are getting? From there we are getting that this will go that side. We'll get what? Sine square theta will be less than or equal to what? Can I say 1 minus sine square phi? That will become cos square phi. Okay. Can I write this as, guys, cos theta can be written as sine 90 minus theta, everyone? Great. So what is happening is, guys, here we will write sine pi by 2 minus phi square. Okay, now as this is, guys, in the first quadrant, if this angle is or sine is increasing in the first quadrant most probably, so guys, we can say that, okay, this is greater than this, so we'll get theta is less than pi by 2 minus phi, right? Because sine is an increasing curve, inequality won't change, right? Whenever the graph is increasing, so if f of x1 is less than f of x2, so x1 will be less than x2, right? Yes, so from there we'll get theta plus phi will be less than pi by 2. So we get an upper bound condition. So guys, from here and here, what can we say from this condition and this condition? We can say that, guys, combinedly from this two, we can say that theta plus phi will be between what, guys? 0 and 90. That is 0 to pi by 2, which is the favorite region of sine. And we can very well say and give it as a license. Now we can give it a license, thumbs up. Go ahead. And now you can cancel this because this is now coming as the favorite region, right? Theta plus phi it is coming, and theta plus phi we've already calculated this is between 0 and pi by 2. Now we can write it. And what about theta and phi, guys? That is nothing but going to be Theta will be what, guys? You put x as sine theta, so theta will be sine inverse x plus sine inverse y. है ना, guys? So how wonderful the journey is, right, to reach this particular thing. How, because guys, up till here everyone will do, but guys, after that the journey is very important, and I'll show you that in the next one. Let's suppose, guys, we have something like this. Okay, x square plus y square is let's suppose, guys, greater than 1. Now what will happen, guys? Here, see, equality is not on 0, because when you put it as 0, you'll get left hand side as 0, right hand side will be pi. So that won't work. So here in equal to is not there on 0. So guys, I'll just quickly do it for you guys. What I'll do is, I'm taking the second part, guys. First part I've already proved. Okay, this is the first part which we did. Now we are discussing the second part. Now look into this one. Second part here, what I'm doing is, I'm starting from here. Okay, if I prove in the second part, guys, sine inverse, this whole blah 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 will be equal to pi minus, if I prove, that will be fine, right? If I prove like this, sine inverse x plus sine inverse y, and if I prove this, that's fine, right? Yeah, this will go that side, this will come this side. So I'm starting from this heavy thing only. Okay, so here again I'll put x as what? Same thing, x equals to sine theta and y equals to sine phi. Okay, so guys, what will happen, tell me? Now guys, as soon as you are doing that, as soon as if you do that, what we'll get again, we'll get sine inverse sine theta plus phi only, na? Same thing. Now guys, you have to think that whether you can write this as theta plus phi or not. So guys, what's your thinking? So let's see. So here this last step is only change. This is greater than, right? Here we have this as greater than 1. Okay, so guys, I'm just writing the second condition. The first step, you will get the same thing, right? Theta plus phi is greater than 0. So from there you'll be getting between 0 and pi, right? Yeah, that we will get, no doubt. First part, this will be getting, right? Same thing if you do, enough. Okay. Now the second part here is, guys, we'll have sine square theta plus sine square phi is greater than 1. So what will give that? That will be giving us sine square theta plus is greater than what? Sine square theta is greater than cos square phi. Same logic, sine square theta will be greater than sine 90 degree, that is pi by 2 minus phi plus square. So from there we'll get theta is greater than pi by 2 minus 5, we'll get theta plus 5 is greater than pi by 2. So that's the thing we are getting now. Okay, so now from this condition, the initial one which we got, and this one, we will say what? We will say that theta plus phi is what? Between pi by 2 and pi, right? Between pi by 2 and pi. Now guys, we have to do something extraordinary, right? We have to obviously get this in the favorite region of sine, right? Because we are getting that theta plus phi. So how to get that, guys? Simple, just multiply by minus first step. Inequality will flip. Here you will get what, guys? Minus pi by 2. And here you will get what, guys? Minus pi. Now what you need to do, guys? Add pi. See guys, so much of thing you can learn from here. When you add pi, you'll get 0 and pi minus theta plus phi will be between what? 0 and pi by 2. So pi minus thing will work. And simple. So this will work. This is in the favorite region. Right? Yes. This is in the favorite region, guys, of sine. So we will replace that by pi minus, and we can do that. We all know that sine alpha is sine pi minus alpha or not? Yes, second quadrant it is. We'll write it as sine inverse sine pi minus theta plus. Now we can cancel because this is in the favorite region. Sine inverse and sine will cancel. We will get pi minus theta plus phi, which is nothing but what, guys? This thing, because your theta and all is what? Theta is sine inverse x and your phi is sine inverse y. So guys, ultimately you have proved the second part as well. First and second part both are done. Understood, guys? So this is how we prove it. Wasn't it a difficult one? Yes, it was. Good evening, S. Pandey. How are you guys? For watching, guys, please hit a like if you've enjoyed this question and this concept, guys. It is a really interesting thing. You just go ahead and try to prove this thing. Okay, guys. Chalo, now let's look into the second part. This is pretty easy, hai na? So why, guys, one part will be really easy, one part will be a little bit taxing. So guys, this is looking at so easy, only one condition, and let's see why. Let's see why, that too very minimal and very easy question. Okay, this part sine inverse x. So they are saying sine inverse x minus sine inverse is equals to sine inverse x under root minus, and then minus this thing. So this is figuring out to be very easy. Let's see why. Let's start from the RHS again. And all of us, we know what we need to do. We will put x as again sine theta and y as again sine phi, right? Then only our RHS will come out as what, guys? Sine inverse sine theta cos phi minus cos theta, that will be cos theta, sorry, cos, one second, sine theta cos phi minus cos theta sine phi, right? Cos theta sine. Okay, so what is it coming out as, guys? Sine inverse sine theta minus phi this time. Okay, so this time we have to see the journey and see the story of what? Theta minus phi now. Okay, great. So guys, in this question, they have given us a condition. What is that? X and y between 0 and 1. Can I say, guys, that means sine theta will be between 0 and 1. Okay, that means sine phi is also between what, guys? 0 and 1. Can I say, guys, that means theta is between pi by 2 and 0, and your phi is also between pi by 2 and 0. Great. So guys, what will happen is, if you just see, Hannah, two numbers, just imagine and just tell me one thing frankly. Two numbers are between 0 and pi by 2. So what will be their difference? Two numbers which are between 0 and 90, what would be their difference? Hannah? So guys, I'm just telling you to just think about it. So guys, we have theta between 0 and 90. Okay, and your phi is also between what? 0 and 90. So guys, what will be the maximum value? You only tell me. What is the maximum value of theta plus phi? When both become pi by 2, so that will be pi. Okay, right? And minimum will be what, guys? 0, when both are 0. Are you getting the point? And this is the favorite food of cos inverse. Cos inverse loves this. Sorry, difference. Sorry, we're talking about difference, right? One second. Okay, theta minus phi. Sorry, guys. Okay, the difference, guys. Sorry, I was thinking about theta. Okay, so guys, here if you look into this, difference will be what? Maximum when this is highest, this is lowest, right? Pi by 2 and this is 0. So maximum will be what? So theta minus phi will be pi by 2, and minimum will be what, guys? When this is 0 and this is pi by 2, it will be minus pi by 2. Can you get me anything else? No. And this is the favorite food of sine, right? Sine inverse x loves this. Sine inverse x actually loves this thing, right? And is always between 0 and 90. Right or not, guys? Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, it loves this. So this is working. This is obviously working. So only this much would be more than sufficient. So we can cancel this, guys. We can write it as theta minus phi. Okay, you can write this as what, guys? You can write this as theta minus phi, which is nothing but what? Sine inverse x minus sine inverse phi. Is that clear, everyone? Everyone understood? Easy? Hannah? So easy. So guys, just we have to have one condition, that is xy should be less than 1 but greater than 0. So guys, you would be thinking, sir, what about if x is negative? So that's what, or y is negative. Then what we will do, sir? Then your formula won't work. If the question is like this, sine inverse x, sine inverse half minus sine inverse minus 1 by 3. Then what we will do? You have never taught us like this. I will say, beta, sine inverse minus x is what? Sine inverse minus x is minus sine inverse x. So minus minus plus. Haven't I taught you this formula? Why can't we be smart and learn only few things which are more than sufficient? Why to learn for x negative in the books? If I show you Engage or any book like that, good book, so they have given you like plenty of conditions, guys, which you don't really have to learn. Whatever I am giving you is more than sufficient if you want to crack advanced, guys. If you talk about NCRT or mains level problems or like some low level examinations of CET like that, so guys, in that they don't even teach you these formulas. They are saying this is the formula, that's it. They don't even give you the conditions. In the sine inverse x plus sine inverse y also, they won't give you the conditions. That is it. They will just wrap it up there. Okay, so guys, that's the very important thing. You have to understand the conditions, okay, and you can easily do it now. Fine. Chalo, next guys is this thing. We have cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, and we are very excited to see only one part, right? Yes, that is it. We are seeing only one part over here. Okay, so guys, if you look into this one carefully, okay, okay. So guys, what will happen? Tell me. Can I say that x? What we'll put? Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. We have to prove this thing. Okay. So obviously, guys, all of you know this formula, I guess. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. What is this, guys? If you know that, this is cos of a plus b, right? I know. I think you guys know this. Yeah? Basic formula. So guys, there only it's in that trajectory only, right? Okay. So we'll put what, guys? Cos of x as theta, and y will be put it as what? Cos phi, right? Absolutely. Now, guys, if you look into this one carefully, first of all, you should know that cos inverse loves in the values between 0 and pi, right? That's its favorite food. It like to stay between 0 and pi. Does not want to go ahead of that, below that. That's the domain and range, which we've already discussed in detail in the initial lecture. Now, guys, if you carefully watch this one here, as soon as you start from the RHS, what are we getting, guys? Obviously, everyone knows that if you start from the RHS, we'll get cos inverse, cos theta, cos phi, minus this will be what, guys? Sin theta, sin phi, right? What is this, guys? Can I say cos inverse cos theta plus phi? Yes or no, everyone? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, right? Yes. And now we cannot cancel it right now over here. We all know the reason behind it. Everyone knows the reason behind it. Why we can't do that? Because we don't know whether this is getting the favorite food, right? Cos inverse. Like by chance, if you write it as theta plus phi and you see that, okay, that's going more than that. So obviously you will be confused. So for that only we'll check, right? We'll do the auditing. Okay. So guys, here they mentioned us that x, y greater than 0. So let's take a use of that. So guys, xy greater than 0 they have given. That means they have given us what, guys? That means cos theta is more than 0, and they have also given us cos phi is greater than 0, right? Because x and y are cos theta and cos phi respectively. That means your theta is between what, my dear students? It's between 0 and 90. Are you getting my point? Here also it is what? Phi is between what, guys? 0 and 90. That's it. Now you need to tell me what will be theta plus phi, right? I was saying that thing that time, right? Okay, guys. So if your theta is one number is between 0 and 90, one number is between 0 and 90, what will be their sum? Add the equations, right? You just have to add both the equations. What will you get, guys? Between 0 and pi. That's it. And isn't this the favorite food of cos? Absolutely. Cos loves this. Cos loves this food, right? Yes. And so we can very well cancel this out and write simply theta plus phi, which is nothing but cos inverse x plus cos inverse. Is that clear to each and every one of you? Amazing. Okay. So that's how we learn these kind of tricks and, guys, logics. We can easily prove this, guys. The condition is this thing. Okay. Again, we are learning here also for all positive values. Next, guys, next formula is what? Cos inverse x minus cos inverse y. That is nothing but cos inverse xy plus here plus will come when here minus is there, and this will be the scene, and it is also equal to minus times when xy is greater than 0. Okay. And here the one more condition is there, which I'll write it down for you guys. And that condition is, first thing is actually when x is greater than or equal to y, and this condition here is what, guys? Y is greater than 0, and where we have x is less than or equal to y. So guys, come on. Hi Swaminarayan, try to prove this formula for me. Let's see whether you can do it or not. Try to prove this. Can you prove this formula? Okay, so this, sorry guys, just a mistake, one second. Yeah, first thing is xy is greater than or equal to y, less than or equal to y, and this is xy greater than or equal to y. Okay, guys, so try to prove this formula, guys. We are trying to prove this. This is less than or equal to, guys, and this is greater than. Okay, everyone. So chalo, let's try to prove this formula and let's see how we can do it. So guys, first thing I'm going ahead with. Okay. So guys, all of us know that I need to prove that thing, right? Well, obviously, guys, I'm proving the first. Obviously, this has two parts. So first part I'm proving. So guys, what is that here? If you look into the RHS, obviously, guys, we'll put x is equals to what, guys? Cos theta, and y is equals to what? Cos phi, right? So what we'll get? Cos inverse cos. What is that, guys? Cos theta, cos phi. We'll be getting plus sin theta, sin phi, right? Okay, so this is what we are getting us. We are getting us what? That is giving us cos inverse cos of theta plus phi. That is fine. But again, we know that we cannot cancel at this step. We have to take steps very carefully, right? Okay, so guys, just look into this one. If you just look into this one carefully, so just let's look into the cutoffs over here. That cutoff means this conditions. Xy is greater than 0, right? That means cos theta is greater than 0 and cos phi is also greater than 0. That means theta is between 0 and 90, right? 0 and pi by 2. And your phi is also between what, guys? Phi is also between what, guys? 0 and 90, right? So guys, can I say that theta plus phi will be between 0 and pi? Same thing. Oh, sorry, this is minus 1. Is one second, just a second, guys. This is cos A cos B plus sin A sin A, which is cos of A minus B. Just a slight mistake. Very carefully you have to be. Okay, so we're not looking at theta plus phi, guys. We're looking at what? Theta minus phi. Okay, so guys, we have two conditions. Obviously, guys, theta minus phi will be what? Tell me. Over here, if you just look into that, theta minus phi, we've already discussed quite a few times now. This is always between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, right? And if two numbers are between 0 and 90, right? Two numbers are between 0 and 90, the difference will be between what? Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Maximum will be when this is max, this is min, and minimum will be when this is min, this is max, right? Right? This is max, this is min, this is min, this is max. That's how you get it. Okay. Also, guys, one more condition is given, that is the extra condition. Just like x square plus y square less than 1, we had in what? Sine, right? So what will this give us? What will this give us? Let's see. So guys, we are trying to fetch this amazing result from x is less than or equal to y. So x is less than or equal to y. That means cos theta is less than or equal to cos phi. Okay, amazing. Can I say that same kind of scenario? Okay, great. So what we'll get, guys, we'll write it as what? Cos theta is less than cos phi. Now, guys, this is the major thing. Let's suppose if somebody says, please try to pay attention. If somebody says cos 60 is less than cos 30, which is correct, right? This is nothing but what, guys? Root 3 by 2, and this is nothing but what, guys? 1 by 2. So what do we say from there? Don't we say that 60 more than 30? Yes, the sign flips. Why? Because cos x is a decreasing function, my dear friends, between 0 and 90. Are you getting my point, everyone? So from here also, guys, if we say that cos theta is less than cos phi, we'll say theta is less than or equal to. Understood, guys? Theta is less than or equal to phi. So theta is less than phi, my dear students. Are you all getting this point over here? Is that fine? Okay. So guys, what we'll get from here, everyone tell me, when cos theta, when your theta is less than or equal to phi. So now what we'll say, when your theta is less than or equal to phi, can I say, guys, theta minus phi will be, obviously, guys, less than 0 in this scenario? Okay. So guys, obviously, if you just look into this one second. Okay. One second, guys. I think so. This should be this condition only. I think so. Let's stick in that. I think so. That should be greater than or equal to phi only, right? Let's see that. I think so. Yeah. If you look into this one, guys, just pay attention. Let's take which one we'll understand which one will be correct. So, guys, if we try for this one, what we'll get? If you just look into this one, if x would be greater than or equal to y, we will get what, guys? Cos theta greater than or equal to y. Cos phi, we'll get what? Theta is less than or equal to phi. That means theta minus phi will be Okay, one second. Sorry. I didn't change the sign actually. I think what happened. Let me check. Let me check. I was correct only. I think so. Before only it was correct. Yes, that is correct only. I think because see, guys, if there I just was not changing the sign. I think yeah. This is less than or equal to. This will be greater than equal to 5. We'll get theta minus 5 greater than 0, which is perfectly fine. All right. Okay. So all of that equals and all. So guys, finally we have got it. This will be was less than or equal to 1. Correct one. Why? Because guys, from here what we'll get is see. This is saying between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is saying greater than 0. From there, what will you say? From these two conditions, guys, which you have in front of you, can I say that final output will be what? Theta minus phi will be what? Theta minus phi will be between 0 and pi by 2, which is the favorite food of cos. That's the reason why we can cancel this. Will be nothing but theta minus phi, which is cos inverse x minus cos inverse y. Please pay attention, guys. Very important deal. Okay, this is how we got it. We got from this first condition and the second condition. Understood? That's why these conditions are really important. Okay. Finally, guys, if you just look into this one, if I prove this second case, I just need to prove what? Just multiply minus. In the second, guys, what will happen is I just have to prove what? Cos inverse xy plus under root of 1 minus x square into under root of 1 minus y square as what? As cos inverse y minus cos inverse x, right? If I prove that, that is obviously job done, right? Because I'm multiplying minus, right? I'm starting from this complicated situation. So again, what will happen, guys? Second part, it will be cos inverse cos theta plus phi. Obviously, that will be the scenario. Okay, the last part will be just the major difference. Theta minus phi. Okay, fine. So guys, if you look into this condition, just watch this condition. First and second conditions remains the same, xy greater than 0. So guys, what we will be doing is, we all have this thing going, correct only, second one, that cos theta is greater than 0 and cos phi is greater than 0. So we have what, guys? We have theta. You can say that cos, you can say, guys, both of them are greater than 0. So we'll get what, guys? Theta is between 0 and 90. And your phi is, I think this is a little bit boring, guys, but please pay attention. This is going to be giving you the best of the following conditions, guys. Okay, but you have to have the knack of this. That's why I'm proving the whole thing. I could have easily come and told you that, guys, please mug up these formulas and go ahead, but I'm not doing that because I try to understand this kind of clarity will help you a lot, guys. So that's very important. Okay? So guys, from here we'll definitely say that theta minus phi will be between what, guys? Pi by 2 and minus pi by 2. Also we have one condition that x is greater than or equal to y. That means cos theta is more than cos y. That means theta will be less than phi, right? Because that's a reversal. If cos theta is more than cos phi, we'll get theta less than phi, right? I have told you and I proved that thing also for you guys. This time I'll get theta minus phi less than or equal to 0, my dear. Understood? So that's the basic thing. Theta minus phi is less than or 0. Less than 0. That means from the first condition, let's highlight that. From the first condition and the second condition, theta minus phi less than 0, we are getting what? Theta minus phi is between 0 and 90. Right? Okay, so that's not working, right? Because that's not the favorite food, absolutely not a favorite food of cos. Is it? Not at all. So what about, but phi minus phi, guys? Can I say phi minus theta will be between 0 and 90? Absolutely amazing. So that is the favorite region, right? Phi minus theta will be in the favorite region. So why not write it like that? And we all know that, guys, cos of x is same as cos of minus x, don't we? Absolutely, we know that. So we can easily write this as cos inverse. And why we are doing that? Because this is not in the favorite region, but phi minus theta would be, and you can cancel this thing but not that. That's why the answer will be phi minus theta, and that will be nothing but, guys, giving you cos inverse y minus cos inverse x, which we had set out to prove. Understood, guys? Little bit boring you might feel, but guys, these are the concepts which are advanced level concepts which we have to have strong hold on. Okay, guys. Chalo, guys, we'll just wrap up with tan quickly, and then we'll be moving ahead with the problems. So guys, let's see quickly. So guys, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is x plus y upon 1 minus xy for this condition, and for this condition it is pi plus. I will just ask you to prove this part. This one I'm doing it quickly. So guys, how would we do it? It's a pretty easy thing. It's not at all a difficult one. So guys, again we'll put here what x as tan theta and y as tan phi, right? So if you're proving the first part quickly, see guys, first part, what do you get guys? Tan inverse tan theta plus tan phi divided by 1 minus tan theta tan phi, right? Which is nothing but going to give you guys what? Tell me quickly, jaldi say. This proof, very famous proof, right? What is this guys? Tan inverse tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b tan of theta plus phi, but we can stop here because we don't know whether this can be cancelled. Okay. Hello guys. Now let's look into this one carefully. That what is the thing here? If you look into this, xy greater than 0, xy less than 1. Xy greater than 0, xy greater than 0, that means x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0 and xy is less than 1. That's the condition. Let's look into that. So guys, this means what? Obviously, I'll just write quickly. Tan theta is between greater than 0. That means theta is between 90, right? We've done it time and again now. 0 and 90, and your y, your obviously phi is also between 0 and 90. So from there, if you add, you'll get theta plus phi between 0 and pi, which is not working right now, but you have a separate condition for that. Let's see whether this will make it work. So guys, here we'll have tan theta and into tan phi less than 1. So guys, can I bring that down? Can I say tan theta will be less than cot phi? Are you getting it what I'm trying to say? 1 by tan phi. We're getting what guys? We are getting from here, just look into here. So we are getting what guys? Tan theta. Just like that, everyone. Same thing, right? Tan cot, sine cos, cos and cos, and sine and sine, right? We've done this kind of thing before, right? And now we know what to do. Tan theta, this will be what guys? Tan pi by 2 minus phi. Guys, you should just try loving this concept. Be absolutely amazing. So tan x is less than tan y, we'll get theta is less than pi by 2 minus phi. Why? Because tan also is an increasing curve to be nice, right? We'll get theta plus phi will be less than pi by 2. Great. So theta plus phi will be less than pi by 2. So guys, what will happen is we have cracked the code. That is between 0 to pi by 2, and this is less than pi by 2. This is saying greater than 0. So from there, guys, first condition pretty easy to prove. That's the reason why, guys, you'll get nothing but this as tan inverse tan theta plus phi, and you can very well cancel that as theta plus phi is nothing but going to give you tan inverse x plus tan inverse phi. Why we can do it? Because this is there. And for the other condition, guys, xy will be more than 1. So you will get what? Theta plus phi more than pi by 2, right? And then you have to subtract pi to get this result. Understood, guys, how you have to work ahead? I guess you can all do it. And guys, xy can't be 1, because if xy is 1, it will become what, guys? Not defined, and it will become tan inverse x plus tan inverse y minus phi will be what? Pi by. Understood? So here you can see very well, it will be what? Not defined, and that will be pi by 2. So for xy, there are 3 conditions, but obviously this is pretty easy. Second one, guys, you can try it out quickly, very easily. I've told you, here you will get what? Theta plus phi will be greater than pi by 2, right? You can see from here, as we are getting less than pi by 2 in this condition, we'll get greater than pi by 2, and you can proceed from there. Last but not the least, very easy formula. See, guys. So, guys, sin inverse x minus sin inverse y, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y have what? Simple concepts, simple formulas, and you can do it from there. Okay. Hello, guys. Let's go for it. So, what you'll put, guys, here you will put x as tan theta and y as tan phi. So, what we'll get, guys? We'll get tan inverse tan theta minus phi. Sorry. What are we getting, guys? Tan theta minus tan phi. Tan theta minus tan phi upon 1 plus tan theta tan phi. What are we getting, guys? We're getting tan inverse tan theta plus phi. Right? Great. So this is the result, guys, what we've got. Now we cannot cancel it directly. We have to check the condition. Xy is greater than 0. That is it, what they have given. So we will be getting what, guys? Theta between pi by 2, 0 and pi by 2, and theta phi also between 0 and pi by 2, right? Because it's tan. Okay, so what will be the difference? We've discussed this quite a few times now. It will be between pi by 2 and minus pi by 2, which will be working, and that's why we get only one condition, that is theta plus phi. But tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Got it, guys? I hope you guys understood this logics, this tricks, and you tried to learn these things. So guys, no need to mug up these formulas. You can easily derive them. And I've told you the conditions you have to be quick with, and you have to great with the domain and range. Always we are going ahead with that only. So guys, without wasting any time, let's solve some amazing problems related to this chapter. This is the first question which was also asked in the mains in 2016. So we have this first question up our screen. Guys, everyone watching, please try this one. Try this one out, guys. Let's see how many of you can do this. We have cos inverse x plus cos inverse y kind of thing. And this has only one condition, guys, so we can apply that, right? Only one condition it had, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, so we can randomly apply that. Sin inverse x minus sin inverse y, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y has only one condition. Come on, everyone. Try this one quickly, guys. Let's see how many of you can get this. Come on, everyone. Anyone who got the answer? So guys, what will apply? We'll apply cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. I've already told you the formula. What is that? Cos inverse. Osho is saying C. Very good, Osho. That's the correct answer. So what will you be applying, guys? Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y formula, right? What is that? Cos inverse xy. That will be what, guys? Cos inverse xy, that will be 2 by 3x into. It's going to be what, guys? What do we had the question in that? We had 3 by 4, right? Yes. Into 3 by 4x minus under root of 1 minus 4 by 9x square into root of 1 minus 9 by 16x square. And that is given as what, guys? Pi by 2. Okay. That will go the side. Cos pi by 2 will be 0. Simple. So from there we'll get, guys, just cancel this. What we'll get? We'll get a quadratic. Great. So what are we getting from here? We are getting that 1 by 2x square is equals to root of 1 minus 4 by 9x square. Okay, can we square this up, guys? Is that a possibility? Can we square it? And 1 minus 9 by 16x square, isn't it? Yes, Swaminarayan, have you squared it this time after this? I think so that will be the best possibility, right? Yes. So guys, as soon as you square it over here, you'll get what? 1 by 4x power 4. This will open up. We'll get what? 1 minus 4 upon 9 by x square. Oh, sorry, Osho, yes. Okay, 9 by 16x square. So what we can do, guys, here you can put x square as some y, or you can put 1 by x square as y, and you can solve the quadratic. Isn't it, everyone? Yes, so this will become a quadratic in y, right? Y square by 4, and this will be what? A quadratic equation. I think so that will cancel out also to some extent, right? And you can get it directly done from there, and your x will be what? Root 145 by 12. You can easily solve it. Great. So that's what asked. This question was asked in JEE 2016. Okay. Please participate regularly also. We are doing a lot of advanced concepts in the uh, special class as well. This Sunday we have at 8 p.m. advanced on tangents and normals. So please attend that. Okay, this is also one good question. Let's see how many of you can do this. Chord inverse 1 plus summation of 2p. P equal to 1 till n. It's also a good question. Everyone watching, guys, please do hit a like. That will be a great gesture from your side. Okay, so guys, see here, just look into this one. Very good, Osho. That's correct. See, guys, how will we do it? If you look into this one, just look into that one. Summation of what? We have 2p, right? Summation of 2p, p equal to 1 till n, right? What will be that? 2 will go outside. Summation of p is what? From 1 to n into n plus 1 by 2, right? So what we'll get, guys? This inside, just that inside part I'm trying to tell you. What will be that, guys? If you just look into that inside part, that will come out as what? It will come out as cot inverse 1 plus n into n plus 1, right? Guys, this is a very famous concept. Whenever you have cot inverse, you will definitely try to write it as in terms of tan. So tan inverse 1 upon 1 plus n into n plus 1. Now the best part is, guys, always when you have tan inverse inside something like this, try to think about tan inverse x minus y or tan inverse x plus y. Why? Because, guys, this is in that form only. We can see here, this will be n plus 1 minus n, right? And this is x minus y upon 1 plus xy, right? Just now, which we discussed. So this we can write it as tan inverse n plus 1 minus tan inverse n. Right? Now, there's a summation going on. After that, there's a cot also in the end. We'll discuss that also one by one we are doing. So guys, let's apply summation on this. So guys, I'm applying summation from 1 to 19. Okay, summation on this from n equal to, it will be the Vn method of the sequence series, guys. Put n as 1. What are we getting, guys? We are getting tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1. Then you're putting n as 2. You're getting what, guys? Tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 2. And then you will be going on and on and on. You will be finally getting, guys, what? Tan inverse 20 minus tan inverse 19. Isn't it, everyone? So everything will cancel except the first and last, right? Vn method we have done so many times, guys. Right. Amazing. So what will be happening, guys? This tan, everything will cancel. Everything will cancel except first and last. That will be tan inverse 20 and 19, which will be left. So we need to definitely calculate what? You just need to calculate cot. That cot was there, right? Cot of tan inverse 20 minus tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 we can write as what, guys? The timing, obviously, at this point of time only has been updated today. Yes, that's why I think there's a low ground. Tan inverse 1 pi by 4. Okay. So, guys, you can also write this as 1 upon tan. Minus also you can keep outside. There'll be what? Pi by 4 minus tan inverse 20. Okay. So that's the reason why, guys. Okay. So, and moreover, I think so some exams and all are going on. So that's the reason why also. Okay. So finally, guys, you can do it. It will be what? 1 minus tan A minus tan B, right? That will be what? 1 tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. That will go on and become what? 21 by 90. That is it. Simple. Right? We can do it very quickly if you know the logics. Hello, guys. Let's move ahead. Next question. So this is also previous year's question. Okay, considering all the principal values of the inverse functions, x greater than 0, so tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equals to pi by 4. So that will be giving you what? Tell me. Come on. Let's see how quickly you can get this one, guys. Easy question. Okay, so how many elements are there? Simple, guys. Tan inverse A plus tan inverse B formula, right? What is that? Tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equals to pi by 4. So what is that going to give you? So this will be what? Tan inverse x plus y, that will be what? 2x plus 3x upon 1 minus 6x square equal to pi by 4, which will go that side, which will be got giving us what? 5x. Tan pi by 4 is what, guys? 5x upon 1 minus 6x square equal to 1. So we will be getting what, guys? 5x equals to 1 minus 6x square. So what are we getting? 6x square plus 5x minus 1 equal to 0. Yes. So what we will get? Tell me. So is it factorizable? Yes, very much. This will be 6x minus x minus 1 equals to 0. We'll get what? 6 into x plus 1 minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. So tell me why here we are getting what, guys? We are getting x equals to 1 by 6 and minus 1, right? So why there are not two answers? Why only one answer? Tell me. Why? Because x is given as greater than 0, right? X is given what? Greater than 0. And that is also very important to understand that xy should be less than 1. Remember, guys, for this condition we got x. So I am saying this one will be what? 1 by 6. If you put x as, you will get what, guys? 1 by 3. And this will be what, guys? 1 by 2. So are we getting 1 by 3 into 1 by 2? First of all, if you take a look at x as 1 by 6, remember that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. I told you xy less than 1, right? This is coming less than 1 also. So 1 by 6 is only correct, which will give you the correct answer. Got it? It's a singleton set. Moreover, x should be greater than 0. From there also you can easily analyze. That's it. Minus 1 will be rejected and obviously will pick up as 1 by 6. Okay, guys. Next, let's see how quickly you can get this one correct. This is also one of the good questions over here. Try this one, everyone. Guys, this is also a very good question. In this, obviously, the same kind of logic will be used. Okay, very good, Osho. What's the logic here? What we should do? Tell me. What we'll be doing? What's the trick here, guys? See, can we write the common difference as a2 minus a1, right? Common difference can be written as a2 minus a1. It can be written as a3 minus a2 also. Can be written as a4 minus a3 also, and so on, right? Everything can be done. So I'm just looking at that part. Yes, that's fine. So here you will put this d as this, right, Osho? a2 minus a1, and here we'll put a2 minus a3. Here we'll put what? a4 minus a3, right? So guys, what in general we are getting is, if you look into this one, First will be what? Tan inverse a2 minus a1 upon 1 plus a1 a2. Then we'll have tan inverse a3 minus a2 upon 1 plus a3 a2, and the thing will go on till where, guys? Final step, you will be getting an minus 1. You will be getting tan inverse an minus 1 upon 1 plus an minus 1 into an, right? That's what we'll get finally. Great. So now what is happening here is, this is nothing but what? Tan inverse, again Vn part only, tan inverse a2 minus tan inverse a1 first. Then what we'll get, guys? Tan inverse a3 minus tan inverse a2, right? And so on till where we get tan inverse an minus tan inverse an minus 1, right? Exactly. So guys, what will happen is finally everything will cancel, right? a2 will cancel, a3 will cancel, this an will cancel. Some mistake can be up. I didn't get your point. What are you saying? Mistake means? So finally what will you get? Sorry, an minus 1 will cancel, an will remain, right? Yes, just before this an minus 1 will be there. Everything will cancel. So what are we getting, guys? Finally we'll get what? Finally we are getting tan inverse an minus tan inverse a1. That's it. Isn't it? Okay. So guys, what will be happening? Tell me, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Can I write it as tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy? So which is nothing but what? And moreover, guys, there is a tan in outside, so I'm writing that as well now. Tan bhi hai. So what are we getting, guys? Tan and tan inverse will definitely cancel. We'll get what? An minus. So what is an? A1 plus n minus 1 into d. So an minus a1 will be what, guys? N minus 1 into d upon 1 plus an into a1. That is it. So guys, these kind of questions have been asked many a times in JEE. So please keep it in your mind. And that is the correct answer. Option B. Right? Tan is also there. So that's why that will get cancelled. Chalo guys, let's take one last problem. And then we'll wrap up the session. Try this one, guys. Everyone, sure, anyone, you can ask any doubt what you have. And all of you guys, please try to practice these questions. And obviously, guys, in the next class, we'll be taking one advanced, most probably, on this chapter. One more advanced lecture on this. And then, guys, we'll be starting matrices and determinants. And then only probability will be left after that. So, guys, we'll be most probably. Osho, you are on plus. I don't see you on plus. To be precise. Come on, everyone. Today in app, we have tangents and normals. Tangents and normals. Today. That will be at 8 p.m. Tangents and normals. Special class, guys, at 8 p.m. Come on, everyone. Think about this one. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. But please watch the video, guys, everyone. If you're missing out on the live lectures, please do not forget to attend the lectures in the end then. That'll be very important, okay? Okay, because we are now moving ahead to the last few things. Okay. Okay, guys, tell me what will be the answer for this. Okay, great. See, guys, if you look into the first step, yes, that's correct. If you look into the first step, what will happen is we will divide by what? We want to make here 1, right? Yes. We have to make here 1, no doubt. So what we will do, guys? Divide by that, right? Yes. So what will happen? This will become first term I am talking about. This is going till n terms, okay? Finally, we are adding. So this thing will go on till n terms. Okay, n terms tak jayega, then we will have this. Yes, yes, sure, sure. Understood, understood. So we'll have what, guys? This will be what? X by y minus, when you divide by c1 y, can I say I get 1 by c1 upon 1 plus, what is that, guys? X by y into 1 by c1. Okay, can I say that this thing is nothing but going to be tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse 1 by c1? Yeah, so that is what the first step is, right? Tan inverse a minus b is nothing but upon 1 plus ab is tan inverse a minus tan inverse b. We've already proved this thing. So guys, if you just elaborate, yes, now just elaborate everything just like that. So finally what we are getting is tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse c1 plus, then it will be what, guys? Tan inverse uh, c1 minus tan inverse c2, right? Just looking at the next steps, and that's what will happen, right, guys? We'll get this one only, right? Next will be what? Tan inverse x minus y upon, okay, this one will be, yes. So guys, what are we getting? Then finally, guys, it will keep on going like this, right? Finally, tan inverse C3 minus tan inverse C2. Sorry, tan inverse C2 minus tan inverse C3, whether you can write it like this or that, doesn't matter. Yes, easy, right? After this, it is pretty easy. है ना? C3, sorry, C2 minus C3, and so on till we'll get what, guys? Tan inverse n minus 1, right? Cn minus 1 minus tan inverse Cn, right? Actually, all are in one by. So please, yeah, because what is the thing is, guys, here we have 1 by, right? So guys, to understand that part, why what I am trying to say is, here you also need to divide by what, guys? If you look into this, you need to divide by c2 c1. Actually, inside this is coming as what? 1 by c1, no? Are you getting my point, everyone? Here, if you look into this one, this you would call it as what, guys? If you divide by c2 c1, this is nothing but what? Tan inverse 1 by c1 minus 1 by c2 upon 1 plus 1 by c2 into 1 by c1. Are you getting that point? So that's why I'm calling that as one tan inverse 1 by c1. That is very important to understand. 1 by, here also 1 by, here also 1 by, and here also 1 by, and here also 1 by. That's the reason why finally that will be what? Tan inverse 1 by cn plus is there, right? They have given that to cancel it. Are you getting my point? So many of you people might confuse, sir, it is coming as plus, how will it cancel? It is 1 by, actually. That's the reason why this will cancel with this will cancel with this will also will be cancelled, will also be cancelled, this is also getting cancelled, we'll only left with this part. That is it. We will be getting what? Tan inverse x upon y. Got it? Okay, so that is it, guys. That is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. Please watch everyone from the beginning if you've missed out on any question. Okay, that will the concept which I did today was absolutely amazing. We did a lot of tricky derivations and all, so which was important. So everyone, guys, you all need to know that you need to install this amazing app from the Play Store. Do not forget to do that. You have to install this ASAP. And guys, obviously, guys, so what I was saying was, yes, you can easily install this app from the Play Store. You know the benefits, guys. We have Unacademy Combat coming up, right? So you know that you can join this amazing quiz on YouTube. Then you have Unacademy Combat, which you can use. Secondly, you also have one amazing feature of the free content of the special class, free special class, guys. So what are the amazing free benefits you have? Amazing free benefits we have of using this amazing Unacademy's learning app, guys. We have quiz, we have combat, we have free special classes, guys. So definitely you should install this amazing app ASAP without wasting any time. Moreover, guys, you can see here on the IIT section in your goals, you have to go to the plus. Then, guys, you can click on the get subscription. As soon as you click on the get subscription, you might obviously, guys, get the opportunity to use this favorite code of yours, guys. What is that? AJ Live. Okay. So, guys, do not forget to use this code for taking the plus subscription. Aaj 8 baje, 8 p.m. Okay, guys. And also, guys, you can take this plus subscription. These are the prices. 6 months it's going to cost you 25k. 12 months it will be 34 and 50.4. Yes, special class at 8 p.m. today. Here, guys, iconic prices are these. You can also take up that, and you can also benefit from iconic. You already know that the benefits of iconic, right? Moreover, these are the prices, guys. You have to use this for taking the plus subscription. Fine. Also, guys, on this platform here, you have to go and put up the code as AJ Live. As soon as you put up the code AJ Live, you'll be getting the plus subscription AJ Live, and then you can proceed to pay using EMI. Okay, EMI will be the most favored one, right? That will give you the maximum discount and benefit. Also, guys, Abhinav SC is also the code which you can use for taking the plus subscription. Also, my integral calculus course has been launched, so do not waste any bit of time in order to come over there on plus. Also, guys, amazing team of Bansal Academy is now there on plus. You can come over there and take their classes over there in detail. And that is already there. You know the code AJ Live. You have to use and join this amazing Spark batch for 2023. Okay, guys. Also, guys, I've told you Unacademy Combat is something which is very important now, and that will fetch you the amazing rewards and prizes after using of AJ Live. You can enroll right now, and guys, do not forget about that. Also, guys, iconic subscription. I told you there will be personal coach, there will be study planner, there will be workshops, there will be guidance from the experts, there will be test analysis, and what else. Also, guys, these are the prices which I've told you. After taking the AJ Live discount, you can get lots 10% of the discount, guys. So don't waste that. Also, revision will be there tomorrow, guys. That is Saturday, 5:30 p.m. binomial theorem. Okay, binomial theorem, 5:30 p.m. We'll be revising that on this very platform. Please don't miss out on this channel of Unacademy JEE English. Also, these are my timings at 5:30. I come over there on YouTube. Also, guys, my many courses on plus are launched. Differential calculus we have already done. Integral calculus you can learn and you can enjoy over there. Also, amazing courses like vectors, inverse, and matrices will be coming. Graphs, relations, functions, trigonometry, algebra, everything will be done. Don't worry about that, guys. Have patience and come on plus. Do not forget to like and share this video among your friends, guys. This is going to be very important. And also, guys, this will help us obviously expand this amazing thing that is free of cost to your friends. So, guys, do hit this bell icon, get it subscribed, share it among your friends. And, guys, don't forget AJ Live is the code which you have to use taking the plus subscription. Okay, guys, just go for it. Everyone, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next.